Okay, guys, so watch me prepare this order in approximately 3 hours. I woke up at 4:31 a.m. They wanted macaroni and cheese.
Extra
They
cheesy.
also wanted an order of fried chicken. So you know we had to season that chicken up.
I do have a reputation to
Yeah, so I
uphold.
seasoned the chicken the night before. Let that marinate, so that it can be nice and seasoned. So as you can see, wait, let me turn the camera around. Jesus, there we go. So I fried the chicken up. Listen, I fried my chicken once. No double dipping. We fry it once and it comes out crispy. You see that? Yeah, crispy. They're gonna love it. And then I made some cornbread, put a little butter on there. And then, I had to get myself together. Oh, look, it's 7 o'clock. Oh, look at
AM.
me. Got myself right. So that's the pan of macaroni and cheese right there.
Extra cheesy.
Right? Don't you want to just dig in that? Sure do. Let me show you from this side too. Yeah. And then we got, come on now. Okay, there we go. And then we got the fried chicken. Look at that chicken.
Who's
Ooh.
that
Yeah.
girl? La 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 la
I
la.
bet you your mama don't fry chicken like that.
I dare you to ask her.
Ask her. She gonna be like, no, I don't. Get that close up. And then, of course, the grand Kirby, stop. Of course, the grand finale would be the cornbread. Golden cornbread, honey butter cornbread to be exact. Thank you for watching. Remember, I'm that girl. They
See
want
you
to
later.
know who's that girl. La 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 la.